Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Riot Client not launching, because it happens a lot after the updates, after the fixing of the bugs and so on. So I will give you 3 steps or 3 ways to fix this. First, sometimes Riot Client is stacking over the background and so on. So what you need to do, which is going to this one, then Task Manager. I launched Riot Client. If it is not launched, guys, make sure that it is not and it is not properly launched. So you just go here and then you go for Task Manager, then for research, type Riot Games and task for that, this one as well, and just relaunch it. That's first thing. Second, guys, there is sometimes a lot of issues, like in the Riot Client files and so on. What you need to do, which is reinstalling only Riot Client, not reinstalling the games. Third, just you need to delete the cache files, which is you need to go here %temp %. It will be popping this file. Then you just Control A, then Shift delete, and there you go. It is deleted. If it is someone persistent that don't delete, just type here and skip. And yeah, keep this process the same. There you go, guys. Now I guess you can start your Riot client properly. It was working like as usual, like this. I hope like the video, guys. Like, share and subscribe.